Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to use the tapered roofing software in Drawing Express. The image on the screen is the roof layout we will be producing. In Drawing Express we use a digitizing tablet. It is split into coloured areas, replacing the need for pull down menus. We access the commands using a digitizing pen. Let's get started. As you can see, the roof layout is already drawn. Firstly, we go into the setup command. This allows us to set our tapered materials and falls. Then we use the panel lines command to draw in the panel lines for the roof layout. Next, we put in the miters. You can select either valleys or hips and their direction, all from the pop-up. Once the miters are in, we can start putting the tapered panels in. First, we indicate the line inside where the first panel is at the highest point. From the pop-up, we select the thickness of the panel. Then we just carry on indicating the highest point on each line for the remainder of the panels until we finish the run. With all tapered panels on the front of our plan, we can now start putting the rest of the tapered panels in using the automated command. We can also use this for the tapered gutter. The system automatically puts in the panels with them labelled up. Once every tapered panel is on, we can finish off the design with adding the flat boards. First of all, we indicate inside the area where the flats are going. Then from the pop-up, we select the thickness and description. Then to finish the command off, we put the label on. Now that the layout is completed, we can produce a panel report. Once the panel report is done, we can then do the JPA report. The results can be added into JPA to calculate the U values of the roof. If the roof doesn't comply with the U values needed, then we use the change panels command. This lets us increase the thickness of all the panels to get the correct one needed. Next, we add the section of the roof to the drawing. This is done by using the automated section command. First, we set the geometry lines up, then indicate the points for the roof size needed, and there you have it. To finish off our drawing, we will produce a delivery schedule, which is added to the drawing itself. Another very useful command of the Drawing Express tapered roofing software is the ability to turn your tapered roof layout into a 3D model. You can produce images from the model and then send them to site for the fabricators to see how it is all put together, helping to reduce mistakes and on-site issues. At this stage, it is worth mentioning that the design of the drawings can be set up to any client's preferences. All the reports can be bespoke and contain any information that is required. This version of the software is purely for demonstration purposes. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us either by telephone or email. Bye-bye.